Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Facebook post in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and visit the Canva website. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click the Create button at the top of the page. Next, use the search bar and type Facebook post. Canva will automatically display the correct Facebook post template size. Click on the Facebook post option to open a new design. Now you'll see a large collection of ready-made templates. Browse through them and choose one that matches the style you're looking for. After selecting a template, start customizing it. Double-click any text to replace it with your own message, title, or event details. Feel free to experiment until you're happy with the design. If you want to add your own image or logo, click the Uploads option from the left sidebar and select Upload Files. Choose the photo or logo from your computer. Wait for it to upload, and then drag it onto your design. You can resize, crop, or reposition the image anywhere on the template to create a unique Facebook post. Once you've finished editing everything, click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose your preferred file format such as PNG or JPG, and save the image to your computer. And that's it! So that's basically how you can create Facebook posts in Canva. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.